Shri Matre Namaha Guru Kataksham Ambalanugraham Paripurnam. Welcome to my channel, Shakti Awakening with Vidya Prakash. If you're coming to my channel for the first time, do subscribe. And if you're already a member, already subscribed, I thank you so much for all your support in the form of likes, shares, and comments. In this channel, I walk through all about Shakti and Shakti Awakening, the path of Shaktam, Sri Vidya, and many more related to our Sanatana Dharma, which will help you to connect back to the roots of Sanatana Dharma. And if you're interested to go deep into Shakti and Shakti Awakening, I conduct free workshop. Do enroll, and it's a free workshop. You can come, and if you're interested, you can continue your journey with me. I have given the this link in the description. You can go through and enroll into my WhatsApp group. In this video, it is about Vasanta Panchami. We are in the Shyamala Navaratri, and the fifth day of Shyamala Navaratri comes Vasanta Panchami. It's a very significant day which has to be celebrated, and this year in 2025, the Vasanta Panchami is on Sunday. So it becomes very easy for all of you. If you have missed because of weekdays, you're not able to perform Shyamala Navaratri, utilize this particular day, which is very powerful day. Vasanta Panchami is the day of Avirbhavam of Mata Saraswati. So, what is Avirbhavam? Avirbhavam is the manifestation. This day, Mata Saraswati manifested. This particular day on Vasanta Panchami, this is very significant in northern part of India. In southern part of India, Saraswati Puja is celebrated during the Sharada Navaratri, Sharadiya Navaratri. But in northern part of India, and also on Dashami in southern part of India, on Dashami we do Vidyarambham. In northern part of India, Vasanta Panchami is celebrated as Saraswati Puja. Because this is falling in between of Shyamala Navaratri, this particular day holds very significant. It does not matter who you are. Education and knowledge, wisdom is very important in your journey and in your growth. So, in particularly this Vasanta Panchami, if you have children who are young, who have not even gone to school, this is the day for you to start the Vidyarambham. Vidya Arambham is starting the journey of education. Vidya plus Arambham. After performing the puja that I am going to walk you through in this video, elder of the home can make the child sit on their lap and write Om by spreading the grain, the rice on a plate and write Om. So that will be the first step of initiation into the journey of education. And if you have children who are going to school, still you perform this puja for their benefit, for them to score good marks, for them to get into some institution. So if your child is appearing for competitive exams, for scoring good marks and higher marks, so that they are able to get into whatever stream of education that they want to pursue, you can do this puja. And if you are someone who is into arts and culture, a musician or a dancer or an actor, so whichever stream of arts and culture you are in, you can perform this particular puja, which is going to help you gain fame. It will help you to, you remember I had put in detail about Shyamala Navaratri, where I walk through what are all the benefits you will gain by performing Shyamala Navaratri. Yeah. On this particular day, it is to seek the blessing of Mata Saraswati. Saraswati is the form of Rajashyamala. So, what you should be doing on this day? First, I'll let you know when is Vasanta Panchami. Vasanta Panchami this year is on 2nd of February 2025, so which is on Sunday. So, since it is on Sunday, you can ask your children to participate in the puja and also make them chant the mantra which I'll be giving you in this video. By chanting so, they will be blessed, and this is a very powerful day where you can align yourself with Mata Saraswati's energy, and that will bestow you with the good education, fame, name. So, what you should be doing on Vasanta Panchami? Get early in the morning on Sunday, take bath, make your kids also wake up early, give them bath. Then you have to do the puja process. And for this particular puja, you have to wear yellow color cloths. So you can wear yellow sari, yellow chudidar, yellow kurta, so yellow langa blouse. So whatever you have, ensure if you are able to wear yellow color in particular. And also the naivedyam also has to be something in yellow. So the naivedyam can be in Karnataka they call kosambri, which is done with the moong dal, or you can prepare puran poli or besan ladu, or you can prepare kheer with milk, adding kesar, so that becomes yellow. It will be a yellowish kheer. So you can prepare any dish in yellow color, or you can offer fruits which are in yellow color like banana. So you can do that. Prepare for Naivedyam. And this is Naivedyam, and I told you early morning you should wake up and take bath to start the puja. So for puja, what are all the things you need? You need lamp, ghee to light the lamp, wick, matchbox, bell, panchapat rudrani, that is archimni, flowers, flower garland, and Naivedyam, of course, which I have already told. Then Gandham, Kunkumam, water. So all these are the ingredients that you need for the puja. You can prepare the puja place. I'm sure because you're doing Shamla Navaratri, you already have kept Raja Shamala's photo or Saraswati photo, and you're starting and you're continuing this puja. So in front of Ambal's photo, whichever photo you have kept, in front of Ambal's photo, keep the books of your child. Yeah. And nowadays children also learn through laptop or tab, so you can also keep that. And if you're a musician or dancer, whatever tools that you use for your dance or music, you can keep that in front of Ambal's photo. And then you have to start with the puja process. On that book, first thing what you should do is um, put keep a chandanam and kunkumam on top of the book, and all the equipments that you use when if you're in arts and culture, your laptop, your phone or ipad, whatever your children use, you can keep that and start with the puja. So the puja process I included the PDF format of Shamla Navratri puja process. You follow the same process of performing the puja. The entire process remains the same. Do the Shodashopachara puja. This is elaborate puja. If you are not able to do for the entire 9 days, you can do on this particular day, which is very, very powerful. So do complete Shodashopachara puja. It will take half an hour. It won't take much time. I have given 16 namams of Rajesh Shyamala. You do that, and at the end, like before you offer Naivedyam, you ask your child to chant this particular shlokam, which has been composed by sage Agastya for Saraswati. I'll give this shlokam in the description and also in the PDF guide which I will give you for download. You can go through, you can read that and make your kid. You read once, like I'll be putting as video. I'll continue. I'll be chanting now. You can go through this video. You also chant along and make your kid also to chant along. Maybe you can take the printout of the guide that I am giving you so that it becomes easy for you to chant the mantra, chant the shloka. Ya kundendu tushara hara dhavana, ya shubhra vastranvita, या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा पूजिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापः सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. This is Saraswati Dvadasha Nama Stotram. Saraswati Tvayam Drishtya Veena Pustakadharini हंसवाह समायुक्ता विद्यादानकरी मम। प्रथमं भारती नाम, द्वितीयं च सरस्वती, तृतीयं शारदा देवी, चतुर्थं हंसवाहना, पंचमं जगति ख्यातं, षष्ठं वागीश्वरी तथा, कौमारी सप्तमं प्रोक्तम्, अष्टमं ब्रह्मचारिणी, नवमं बुद्धिधात्री च, दशमं वरदायिनी, एकदशं क्षुद्रघण्टा, द्वादशं भुवनेश्वरी, ब्राह्मी द्वादश नामानि, त्रिसन्ध्यं यः पठेन्नरः सर्वसिद्धिकरी तस्य, प्रसन्ना परमेश्वरी, सा मे वस्तु जिह्वाग्रे, ब्रह्मरूपा सरस्वती. So chant this mantram and complete your puja. Like after chanting, offer dhupam, deepam, naivedyam. Then, if you have child, their mum has to be started. You can make them write, your elder of the family, as I told. Make the kid write on the grain, on rice, and you complete the puja. Then distribute the naivedyam, and then you can ask your child to just study any one lesson. Just take the book and offer the child to study. And if you're a musician or a dancer, you can just sing a song in front of Ambal, and complete your puja. If you're a dancer, you can dance and complete your puja. So this is what you can do on this Vasanta Panchami, and seek the blessing of Mata Saraswati. And with her blessing, let you all be blessed with all good knowledge, wisdom, power, fame, and get the attractive personality so that you are able to grow in your life. Yeah. So seek Mata's blessing. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu, samasta sanmangalani sattu. Guru Kataksham Ambal Anugraham Paripurna.